Welcome viewers, I hope all of you are fine. Welcome back to my channel Zenny Study Instruments. Here are students who are doing master or BS in English can seek help. Our today's course is Greek literature and I'm gonna tell you about the topic Greek mythology. Greek mythology, our today topic. And before starting this video, I request you to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon as well to get notification of my new videos. And the viewers who have subscribed my channel are requested to watch the video till end so that you can understand the full topic. If you like the video, please press the like button, and if you don't understand, tell me in the comment box. If you need another topic, please tell me by commenting. You will get the same topic in the next video. Now I'm gonna start the topic Greek mythology, Homeric hymns, Aphrodite, Apollo. गाइज आज की वीडियो में हम ये 4 टॉपिक्स डिस्कस करेंगे. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ग्रीक मैथोलॉजी. Greek mythology, as in other ancient cultures, was used as a means to explain the environment in which humankind lived, the natural phenomena they witnessed, and the passing of time through the days, months, and seasons. Myths were also intricately connected to religion in the Greek world and explained the origin and lives of gods, where humanity had come from and where it was going after death, and gave advice on the best way to lead a happy life. Finally, myths were used to retell historical events so that people could maintain contact with their ancestors, the wars they fought, and the places they explored. Homeric hymns. In terms of this genre of writing, in the hymns, the style is reminiscent of the epic poetry of Homer and Hesiod. They use the same dactylic hexameter. There is also a similar diction of Homer's language. It's pastiche drawn from lots of different dialects around ancient Greeks. They are also drawn from that same Homeric register of connections between the many different aspects of ancient Greek. There are some stylistic measures that are similar in the terms of using similes, digressions, and some use of narrative in that Homeric way that introduces us to really intense stories. The narrative is used more like the way that Hesiod uses narrative as one device among many to structure the engagement that a person wants to make with the material. None of our poets feel obliged to tell us a clean, clear, linear story. They just get all this good stuff about this god in their depth that they possibly can with interruptions, some back and forth movements in the narrative, and some non-linear things. Guys, ये था hymns. And next topic is Aphrodite. Aphrodite is the goddess of love and beauty, and according to Hesiod's Theogony, she was born from the foam in the waters of Paphos on the island of Cyprus. She supposedly arose from the foam when the Titan Cronus slew his father Uranus and threw his genitals into the sea. However, according to Homer in Iliad, Aphrodite may instead be the daughter of Zeus and Dione. As with so many Greek deities, there are many stories about the origins of the gods. Many gods believed that her beauty was such that their rivalry over her would spark a war of the gods. Because of this, Zeus married Aphrodite to Hephaestus. He was seen as a threat because of his ugliness and deformity. Next and last topic is Apollo. Apollo is the Olympian god of the sun and light, music and poetry, healing and plagues, prophecy and knowledge, order and beauty, archery and agriculture. An embodiment of the Hellenic ideal of Kalo, Kalokagathia, he is harmony, reason, and moderation personified, a perfect blend of physical superiority and moral virtue, a complex deity who turns up in art and literature, possibly as often as Zeus himself. Apollo is only major god who appears with the same name in the both Greek and Roman mythology. Apollo was in charge of so many things that naturally even his more famous epithets are numerous. As a sun god, he was called Phoebus or Bright. गाइस ये था हमारा आज का टॉपिक ग्रीक मैथोलॉजी। किसी और टॉपिक की ज़रूरत हो तो आप मुझे कमेंट्स बॉक्स में बता सकते हैं एंड प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल एंड प्रेस द बेल आइकन टू गेट नोटिफिकेशन ऑफ माई न्यू वीडियोज़। और वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो प्लीज़ लाइक माई वीडियो और शेयर माई वीडियो विथ योर फ्रेंड्स। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो। अल्लाह हाफिज़।